I want to talk about the moment you create these beautiful gardens and you have these cubby holes where lizards can climb inside. You have a place for a rabbit to dig a burrow, whatever it may be. We need to understand that habitat is the most important thing to reestablish any type of life. So if you build the habitat or if you restore the habitat, every single creature will come. They come down from the mountains, they will know that there's somewhere to live or somewhere to find some food or whatever it may be. So by restoring and creating new habitats, the earth can reestablish itself for certain species. Animals will return. We had this piece of property. There was not a single animal here. We couldn't attract them because we needed the superstructure to get them to come back. Now we have lizards everywhere. We have snakes. We have you name it. We also released a couple of thousand frogs here, which made a huge difference. The reptiles showed up. The birds showed up. So it's interesting that a barren piece of land simply can't support life. But when you have all these little spaces for the animals to hide, the little fruit trees where they can eat some fruit, they will show up. So this understanding of how we can restore this planet is by creating these microclimates where the animals feel comfortable and can return. Of course you can't interrupt them as well. If they're eating the tops of your carrots, you have to appreciate that. It is that simple. We have lizards that eat our strawberries, and we put up with it. It's part of the deal. You have to take and get. But when our guests arrive and there's lizards and iguanas and other reptiles sunbathing, it's a photo op. People love that. And that's what they expect from Ecuador. They expect it to be green, and they expect it to have a large variety of animals. This big problem of wild dogs or even tame dogs coming everywhere and attacking wildlife, it's a big problem. But, at least this sanctuary here, we have the animals showing back up. If something comes to attack them, they have their cubby holes that they can go into and hide. So it's a win-win situation for us. And attracting life is a great experience.